Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the PySpark SQL row underscore number function. In this video, we'll explore how to assign unique row numbers to rows within a partition dataset using row underscore number. Whether you're working with employee data, sales records, or any other group data, this function helps you create a sequential numbering system for rows based on specific criteria. We'll go through practical examples so you can understand how to apply this function effectively in your data analysis. Let's get started. Introduction to the row underscore number function. The row underscore number function in PySpark is a powerful tool used to assign a unique row number to each row within a window specification. This function ensures that each row within a partition receives a distinct sequential number, starting from 1 based on the specified order. Unlike functions such as rank or dense underscore rank, which can assign the same rank to rows with tied values, row underscore number guarantees that each row has a unique identifier regardless of ties. This function is particularly useful when you need a distinct identifier for each row within a partition. For example, if you are working with employee data group by department, and ordered by salary, the row underscore number function can assign unique number to each employee within their department. It allows for precise identification and tracking of rows, making it easier to analyze or manipulate the data based on row positions within a specified order. Basic syntax. The basic syntax for using the row underscore number function in PySpark involves defining a window specification and applying the function over that window. The window is created using window.partitionB and window.orderby, which allow you to group and order the data for the row numbering process. The partitionB clause divides the data into groups or partitions based on the values of a specified column. For example, you can partition data by department to assign row numbers separately within each department. The order by clause specifies how the rows should be ordered within each partition, typically based on a numeric or date column, such as salary or date of hire. Once the window is defined, the row underscore number function is applied using with column, creating a new column that contains a unique row number for each row in the partition. The numbering starts from 1 and increments for each row within the partition, regardless of ties in values. This ensures that every row receives a distinct row number, making the function particularly useful for cases where unique identification of rows is needed within a specific order. Why use row underscore number? The row underscore number function is useful when you need to assign a unique sequential number to rows in a data frame, especially when partitioned by a specific column. It is commonly used for selecting the first or last record within a group, eliminating duplicates while retaining specific rows, and creating unique identifiers for group data. Unlike other ranking functions, row underscore number ensures that each row has a distinct number, making it ideal when you need unique row identifiers without ties. Practical examples. 1. Assigning row numbers to each row. In this example, we are using the row underscore number function in PySpark to assign unique row numbers to employees based on their salary. The data frame df contains two columns, employee underscore name and salary, representing employees and their respective salaries. Our goal is to order the rows by salary in descending order and assign a unique row number to each employee based on this ordering. First, we define a window specification using window.orderByDF.salary.bse. This orders the employees by their salary in descending order, meaning that employees with higher salaries will appear first. Next, we apply the row underscore number function over this window specification, which assigns a unique row number to each employee. The row underscore number function guarantees that each row receives a distinct number starting from 1 and increasing sequentially regardless of ties in salary. When the result is displayed using the show method, Charlie with the highest salary of 6,000 is assigned row number 1, followed by Alice with row number 2, and so on. Even though Bob and David have the same salary of 4,500, they receive different row numbers 3 and 4, ensuring that every employee has a unique identifier. This example demonstrates how to use row underscore number to generate unique identifiers for rows in a data frame, making it useful for tasks where distinct numbering is required regardless of tied values. 2. Assigning row numbers within a partition. In this example, we are using the row underscore number function in PySpark to assign unique row numbers to employees within each department based on their salary. The data frame df underscore dep contains three columns: employee underscore name, department, and salary. Presenting the employees, their departments, and their respective salaries. Our goal is to assign a unique row number to each employee within their department, ranking them by salary in descending order. We start by defining a window specification using window.partition by department.order by df underscore dep.salary.dsc. The partition by function divides the data into separate groups based on the department, ensuring that the row numbers are assigned within each department independently. The order by function sorts the employees in descending order by their salary within each department so that employees with higher salaries are ranked first. Next, we apply the row underscore number function over this window specification, which assigns a unique row number to each employee within their department. The numbering starts from 1 for the highest salary in each department and increments for each subsequent row. When the result is displayed using the show method, we can see that in the HR department, Alice with the highest salary of 5,000 is assigned row number 1, and David with the salary of 4,500 is assigned row number 2. In the finance department, Charlie is ranked first with a salary of 6,000, followed by Bob with row number 2 and a salary of 4,500. This example demonstrates how to use the row underscore number function to assign unique row numbers within partitions such as departments while ranking them based on specific criteria like salary. This approach is useful for data analysis tasks that require sequential numbering within groups or partitions in your dataset. 3. Using row underscore number to eliminate duplicates. In this example, we are using the row underscore number function in PySpark to remove duplicate entries from a data frame by keeping only the first occurrence based on salary. The data frame df underscore duplicates contains two columns: employee underscore name and salary, where some employees like Alice appear multiple times with different salary values. Our goal is to eliminate duplicates and retain only the entry with the highest salary for each employee. First, we define a window specification using window.partition by employee underscore name dot order by df underscore duplicates dot salary dot dsc. The partition by function groups the rows by the employee underscore name column, ensuring that the row underscore number function operates independently within each employee group. The order by function orders the rows in descending order of salary, so the highest salary appears first for each employee. We then apply the row underscore number function over this window specification. This assigns a unique row number to each employee based on their salary, with the highest salary receiving row number 1. Using the filter function, we filter the data frame to keep only the rows where the row underscore number is equal to 1, which ensures that we retain only the first occurrence, i.e., the highest salary for each employee. Finally, we use the drop function to remove the row underscore number column, leaving us with a clean data frame that contains only one entry per employee with the highest salary. When the result is displayed using the show method, the data frame shows only one record for each employee. For Alice, only the record with the highest salary of 5,000 is kept and the lower salary entry is removed. Bob and Charlie retain their respective rows because they did not have duplicate entries. This approach is useful for eliminating duplicate records while retaining the most relevant entry based on specific criteria, in this case salary. The combination of row underscore number and window functions provides an efficient way to handle duplicates in datasets. 4. Selecting the first row in each partition. In this example, we are using the row underscore number function in PySpark to assign unique row numbers to employees within each department based on their salary, and then filter the data to keep only the employee with the highest salary in each department. The data frame df underscore depth contains three columns: employee underscore name, department, and salary, representing employees, their departments, and their respective salaries. First, we define a window specification using window.partition by department.order by df underscore depth.salary.bsky. The partition by function groups the data by department, ensuring that the row numbers are assigned separately within each department. The order by function orders the rows by salary in descending order within each department so that employees with the highest salaries appear first. Next, we apply the row underscore number function over this window specification, which assigns a unique row number to each employee within their department. The employee with the highest salary in each department receives row number 1. Finally, we use the filter function to keep only the rows where the row underscore number is equal to 1, which ensures that we retain only the highest paid employee in each department. When we display the result using the show method, we see that for the HR department, Alice with the highest salary of 5,000 is kept while David is filtered out. In the finance department, Charlie with the salary of 6,000 is retained and Bob is excluded. This approach demonstrates how to use row underscore number with partitioning and ordering to rank rows within groups and filter for specific results such as finding the highest salary in each department. It's an efficient way to identify top performers or key records within partitions in your dataset. 5. Combining row underscore number with other functions. In this example, we are using PySpark to apply both the row underscore number and sum functions to analyze employee data within each department. The data from df underscore depth contains three columns: employee underscore name, department, and salary, representing employees, their respective departments, and their salaries. Our objective is to assign row numbers to employees within each department based on their salary, and also calculate the total salary for each department. First, we define two window specifications. The first window specification, window underscore spec underscore row, is defined using window.partition by department.order by df underscore depth.salary.bsky. The partition by function divides the data into groups based on the department, ensuring that the row numbers are calculated within each department separately. The order by function orders the rows by salary in descending order so that the highest paid employee in each department is ranked first. The second window specification, window underscore spec underscore sum, is defined using window.partition by department, which groups the data by department but without ordering. This allows us to calculate the total salary for each department by summing the salary values for all employees in that department. Next, we apply the row underscore number function over the first window specification to assign a unique row number to each employee within their department based on their salary. Employees with the highest salaries receive the lowest row numbers. We also apply the sum function over the second window specification to calculate the total salary for each department, which is then displayed as a new column for each employee in that department. When the result is displayed using the show method, we can see that for each employee, the data frame now includes their row number within the department based on salary, as well as the total salary for their entire department. For example, Alice in the HR department is ranked 1 with a salary of 5,000, while David is ranked 2. The total salary for the HR department is displayed as 9,500. In the finance department, Charlie is ranked 1 with a salary of 6,000 and Bob is ranked 2 with the total department salary shown as 10500. This example demonstrates how to use both row underscore number and sum to perform multiple calculations within partitions, such as ranking employees by salary and calculating total departmental salaries. This approach is useful for generating detailed insights into data grouped by categories like departments. That's all for today's tutorial on the PySpark SQL row underscore number function. We hope you now understand how to assign unique row numbers within partitions and how this can help in tasks like ranking, deduplication, and data analysis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PySpark tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.